Hey everybody, it's an exciting time in the theater build here in our household. We just received our new projector and the mount, and this is the first one of these that we've ever had. So this is our first attempt at mounting one of these guys and playing with that kind of technology. So we're going to do a quick video here that shows the process of unboxing the projector, which is an Optoma UHD-65, and then mounting that using a Chief RPAU mount. And I've got the stuff up on the ceiling right now, and we're just ready to put this mount onto the projector, and then we'll get it up onto the ceiling. So enjoy. Hey everybody. So as I'm working on building out the theater in the basement, I just got in some cool parts. So I've got the projector mount and the projector. So I'm going to unbox both of these now. I got these from Projector people, and you're going to see it just as I got it from them. So this is the box. Open this up. All right, let's see what we got in here. And this is a Chief model number RPAU. It's 5.75 pounds, and it is the RPA system with exclusive all-point security. All right, I don't know what any of that means. This is just the mount that Projector people suggested for the Optoma UHD-65. So there's what, I guess that's the piece that mounts to the ceiling. Well, that's falling out. I hit the camera with my head every time because my wife wants it up here. All right, let's see what this looks like. So I guess this is the down channel, and this would mount to the ceiling as such. This is the top ceiling side, I'm guessing. And there's going to be something down here. Yeah, all right. And there's this thing, which I don't know what that does. And 4 of these things, which I guess are the legs that attach to the mount. Here's some installation instructions. Let's see what it says. Okay, now we're going to do a quick open on a Optoma UHD-65 that I ordered from Projector people. So this came, and it looks like they shipped it just in the box that comes from Optoma. So you know, there are these open holes on the side where you can kind of pick the box up, which doesn't give me a lot of faith from the point of view of securing the box while it's in shipping. You know, I would have been much happier if they had put this in another box to kind of protect the whole unit, but they did not do that. So there's a packing list here on the front that'll open up here, and see what this says. Just the invoice and the price. Well, I actually no price, just the projector Optoma UHD-65, so it's supposed to be the right one. All right, and then it says, "Open me first." So let's open you first. There's a sticker with important information that can be filled out and put on your projector, so you have all your information handy the next time you need to give us a call. All right. I don't know that I want to put this on my projector. And here's examples of what an 11-point Calibri font will look like on 133, 110, and 92. Yeah. Who's got 18 feet for a 110-inch screen? That's not going to happen. And then this is a purchase policy. This is probably how you return it, just in case. They said that we can return this thing if we don't watch it for more than 4 hours, I think it was. All right, so let's see if we can get in here. See if I can give myself a paper cut on this stuff. I guess if I just walked over and got scissors, it'd be easier. That would be the smart thing. But, you know, we don't do things the smart way. Alright, can you see in here at all? Yeah, I think you can see in there a little bit. Alright. So we have instructions with batteries and a CD with a user's manual, I guess, owner's manual. Over here, let's see what we got. Hey, look, the world's shortest HDMI cable. That's cute. HDMI, high speed with Ethernet. All right. I guess this is good for testing. I mean, not in a mounted position, but if you have a little test device and you want to set it up, you can point toward that. Remote control. That looks, oh gosh. Cheesy is the first word that comes to mind. Yeah, that is pretty flimsy. Pretty flimsy. Power cable that will have to be replaced with a much shorter power cable. But, like I said, probably good for testing. And, not that there's enough light in here, but I do have a paper cut already. You have to sacrifice yourself for the projector. Alright, I think I'm going to have to set this on the floor to get this thing out. So I'll bring it back up after I pull it out of the box. Alright. So here it is this way. Let's try and stand it up. Get that off. Get that off. All right, and this is what it looks like in the plastic. That's my head again on the camera. So this is the side, I guess, that you'll mount to. Some silica, that's nice. And then the bottom here, I guess these are the mounting spots, and then it's got 4 feet if you're going to mount it on a little shelf or something. All right, there we go. It sits quite crooked by itself. That doesn't seem super nice. Oh, yeah, one of these is screwed out. I bet that'll sit flat now. All right, look at that. Okay, so it's got the plastic cover on it, which looks good because it looks like it got scratched up a little bit. But with that plastic cover on. It's okay. The lens cover is super cheesy. But, you know, have medium-sized hands, so just kind of a comparison. And my forearm for another comparison. So it's not a tiny little thing by any stretch of the imagination. But it looks okay, I guess. Just checking it out. I don't know how this is supposed to be, but this is kind of, maybe it opens up or something. I don't know. There are a bunch of connectors, obviously, on the back. Audio, USB, power, Ethernet, RS-232, a couple of HDMIs, and a VGA port even. So there we go. That's, gosh, I don't know about, that seems kind of, there's some play in that. I guess that's how you get to the lamp to replace it, but man, that doesn't seem super high quality. I don't know. Guess the proof will be in the picture. We'll see how that goes. Some plastic sticking out of a crack here. I don't know what that deal is. All right, well, there we go. That's the unboxed unit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. If you have questions, please post in the comments below. I'll also include product information links there as well. Thanks.